The phoenix of the Southland, rebuilding, remanufacturing, and resilience in post-fire Los Angeles. The image of Los Angeles engulfed in flames has, tragically, become a recurring one in the 21st century. Wildfires like the Woolsey Fire, 2018, the Bobcat Fire, 2020, and a host of others have scarred the landscapes of Los Angeles County and its surrounding areas, leaving behind a trail of destruction that incinerated homes, businesses, and vast swathes of natural habitat. However, the story of Los Angeles in the aftermath of these conflagrations is not solely one of loss. It is a powerful narrative of resilience, innovation, and a determined push towards recovery. The progress made since the most devastating fires has been multifaceted, involving not just the physical rebuilding of structures but a fundamental reevaluation of urban planning, manufacturing supply chains, and environmental stewardship. The resurgence of manufacturing and the restoration of disrupted production form a critical chapter in this story, demonstrating the region's economic vitality and adaptive capacity. This analysis will delve into the extensive details of this progress, with a specific focus on the restoration of manufacturing capabilities across key industries. Furthermore, it will outline 4 significant advantages that have emerged from this arduous recovery process. Part 1: The detailed landscape of progress, from ashes to advancement. The notion of progress after a wildfire is not a single metric but a complex, interwoven tapestry of efforts across different sectors. To understand the full scope, we must look at community rebuilding, environmental restoration, economic recovery, and the specific rebound of the manufacturing ecosystem. 1.1 Community rebuilding and urban regeneration. The most immediate and visible form of progress is the reconstruction of homes and communities. Pace of rebuilding. The rebuilding process has been a marathon, not a sprint. In areas like Malibu and the canyons, affected by the Woolsey Fire, and the foothill communities, affected by the Bobcat Fire, the sound of construction is now more common than the silence of devastation. While the process is often slowed by bureaucratic hurdles, insurance complexities, and a shortage of skilled labor, thousands of permits have been issued and homes have been rebuilt. Many of these new structures are not mere replicas of their predecessors, they are often built back better. Incorporation of fire-resistant materials. A significant aspect of progress is the widespread adoption of fire-resistant building codes. New constructions increasingly feature non-combustible siding, fiber cement, stucco, and treated wood instead of traditional cedar shingles. Class A fire-rated roofing, concrete tiles, metal roofing, and composite shingles designed to withstand ember attacks. Tempered glass windows, double-paned or tempered glass to resist breakage from intense heat. Ember-resistant vents, fin.